My dear students of BCom final year, GST study should be unit wise. Hope you have gone through unit number 1, 2 and 3. Now if you see unit number 4, as you all know, the name of the chapter is like enabling services under GST. Yes, on the same topic you are going to get 2 questions and 2 short answer questions. One is like how to enable services under GST, that is a general question. Particularly they may ask you how to record intrastate inward supplies of services. How to record intrastate inward supplies of services. You know, my dear students, we all do GST accounting in Tally. There enable GST is very important. Press F11. After that, enable GST, yes, alt GST, yes. There you are going to get all the options. Means drawing of the screens is important here because time is given 3 hours. So you need to write a little bit more only. Don't delete anything. Particular question. Then what do you mean by cancellation of services and partial cancellation of services? For example, if we made an agreement to give some service to a party, now because of so many reasons, see at the time of COVID, many services were cancelled. So when those services on which we received advance or on which we paid advance, if cancelled, how you are going to record in Tally? That is very important, my dear students. Don't ignore that. This is unit number 4 is small unit. Nothing to worry. And my dear students, what I want to say in GST particularly is like unit number 1, there is no need of drawing any screens because it is inclusive of registration, what do you mean by GST, advantages, implementation of GST in India, GST council and all. And when you come to unit number 2, 3 and 4, you need to draw some kind of diagrams. My dear students, this time a question came in how to record exports and imports in GST. Yes, my dear students, every country will promote exports. Exports are exempted from tax. No GST on exports. Even if we pay GST, that will be refunded. What is the meaning of LUT bond, letter of undertaking? And imports will attract IGST. How you are going to record this? That you need to write. Prepare from whatever material you have, my dear students. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Then I have given definitions in my previous videos. Please go through, my dear students. Tomorrow I will explain you how to do a problem which is expected, like input tax credit adjustment will be there. That I am going to tell you tomorrow. Be cool, be happy. Everything is very cool paper. Don't worry too much. You know, GST report reconciliation. Reconciliation in the sense, when you select an option, when you go to Tally, there select statutory and taxation, select GST and select reports. When you select the reports, it will show reconciliation. When you select reconciliation, it will show what are the GSTs that you have paid in the previous periods, my dear students. You know, that is also one of the important question, reconciliation of GST. And GST ledgers, there will be 3 ledgers. E-ledgers they are called as E-cash ledger, E-liability ledger. Okay, likewise E-credit ledger, E-cash, E-credit, E-liability. Okay, manchiga prepare avunnamu. Let us see unit number 5 and unit number any problem in tomorrow. Okay, because you have one more daytime. Today you concentrate on unit number 4 only. Complete unit number 4. Completely unit number 4 నేర్చుకోండి. అండ్ ఈరోజు నేను క్లాస్లో చెప్పింది GST రిపోర్ట్ రీకన్సిలేషన్ ఒకటి చెప్పానమ్మా, ఈ లెడ్జర్స్ ఒకటి చెప్పాను, అవి కూడా చూసుకున్నాము. అండ్ మార్నింగ్ నేను చెప్పిన దాంట్లో టైం లైన్ ఆఫ్ GST పేమెంట్ ఒకటి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా. విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ అమ్మా. పదే వచ్చి డిస్టర్బ్ చేసినా ఏమనుకోద్దామా. మై ఇంటెన్షన్ ఈస్ యూ షుడ్ రైట్ వెల్. ఓకే, మేక్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ ద క్లాస్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ నాన్న. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ ఆల్. అందరూ మంచి మార్క్స్తో చక్కగా పాస్ కావాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నానమ్మా. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ ఆల్ నాన్న. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ ఆల్. ఓం నమః శివాయ.